we will learn about special data types in PHP and how to use them effectively in the program. There are two special data types in PHP. First is null, second is resource. Let's talk about PHP null. The special null value is used to represent empty variables in PHP. Null is a special data type which can have only one value, null. A variable of data type null is a variable that has no value assigned to it. If a variable is created without a value, it is automatically assigned a value of null. A variable of type null is a variable without any data. To give a variable, the null value simply assign it like this: $my_var equals to capital null semicolon. The special constant null is capitalized by convention, but actually it is case insensitive. You could just as well as have type $my_var equals to small null semicolon. PHP developers mistakenly consider both $var1 equals to null and $var2 equals to empty are same, but this is not true. Both variables are different. The $var1 has null value, while $var2 indicate no value assigned to it. A variable that has been assigned null has the following properties. First is it evaluates to false in a boolean context. Second, it returns false when tested with isSet function. Let's see the example of PHP null value. Here to create one PHP file, null.php. Let's writing a code. A variable can also empty by setting the value to null. Save the code. Let's run the program. This is the output screen. The special resource type is not an actual data type. It is the storing of reference to the function and resource external to the PHP. A common example of using the resource data type is database call. We will not talk about the resource type here since it is an advanced topic.